Hey, this is Ronnie with another tight-ass tips. Actually, well, laundry tight-ass tips. Okay, I just did a load of laundry, not a very big load of laundry, but I got jeans and heavier shirts in there from work and socks. Here's a tight-ass tip. It went through the cycle once. It's done washing and draining. I have a lever where I just shut the water off. You would not believe how much more water you'll get out. Instead of taking them right from here when they're done and throwing them in your dryer, go through your time settings if you can, and if you got an electronic controlled one, you should be able to too. Go back to the spin cycle and spin it one more time. A little bit of electricity it takes to spin it one more time. You would not believe how much more water you get out of heavy clothes like jeans and things like that. If you don't have a lever to shut the water off, if you go past, it'll, from right in here where it rinse, once it gets to spin, it's going to shut off. You should be able to do it with an electronic one also. And then, here's my other tight-ass tip. Whoa, that baby's out of balance. Let's see. Yeah, I better do something about that. Woo! You don't want to beat the heck out of your washing machine, so. Yeah, I have a feeling that the jeans, both jeans are almost on the same side. Okay, we'll move that. And then throw this over here. I know how to do laundry. It's out of balance. That's it. Let's get her lined up. Okay, we'll try that. Hopefully that's better. Yeah, that was just shaking a little bit. Now, when you go through there, fabric softener. I use cheap ones. Keep the static down. Tear your sheets in half, man. I know they're not expensive, but if you do a lot of laundry, you go through a bunch of them in a year, there's no money there. And keep this filter clean, okay? Your lint filter, keep it clean. You get that half filled up, that cuts down on the airflow and it holds more moisture inside the dryer. So this is your tight-ass tips for doing laundry, alright? I'm just going to throw that in there so I don't forget. Yeah, you don't need a full fabric softener sheet. This thing I've done clear full of top full clothes, old high capacity dryer. One fabric softener sheet works great. No static, no nothing. But keep wherever your screen's at, if it's there inside the door, clean that every load if you've got anything with lint, because even if it's half full and half open right there, it's cutting down half your airflow basically, okay? There you go. That's a simple, another tight-ass tip. Run her through the spin dry cycle 2 times. Once it's done, run it through one more time. It'll remove so much more water. It cut my drying down because this has like an automatic on here. I don't know if you can see it right here. It's like auto sense for high heat, very dry, and that's like the spot it's supposed to be. If I go there, it would never be dry. Then I started spinning them twice. It's dry every time, no problem then. So there you go, man. Yeah, it's a nice day. I'm still leaving the windows and stuff open. It's sun shining again. Can't see all the water from here down on the bottom, but it's there. Alright, man. That's Ronnie's tight-ass tips on laundry. Alright, I'll be back. Love you all. Tomorrow's a new day. Bye.